Hey, what's up, guys? This is Gus with CALI Rebuildables, and today, since a lot of you guys been asking about how much the car, like the total cost of the car was already repaired. So right now we're checking out the actual car, the 2015 Kia Optima LX, and right here you can see the mileage and the winning bid. The winning bid was 3,050. That's what the winning bid was, plus the fees. You can see that's 2015 Kia Optima. But there's the sales price, $3,050. Then they're charging me a hazardous material compliance, $10. Buyer fee was $400. Virtual bid fee was $69 and $59 for the gate fee, and the sales tax was $251. So the grand total was $3,839 out the door. That's how much the Kia was after fees. Then I bought the rear bumper, and the rear bumper was $179. Plus the lower balance also was $80. So that brings the car now up to $4,098. That's with the bumper, the rear bumper, and the lower balance. Then I went and got the paint. And if you guys can remember, the paint was from Automotive Touch-Up Paint, and that was $101 for the quart. And if you guys can remember the video, I had to buy another quart, so that was another $101. And I got also two clear quarts of clear, and that was $60 for both. Also got a little bundle for an epoxy for the front bumper. I don't know if you guys could check out my Kia video, and I did a little repair on the front bumper with epoxy and a little bit of bundle. So that was the bundle and the epoxy, and with that, the paint, both quarts of paint, the two clears, the bundle and the epoxy, brought everything up to $4,387. Then besides that, yes, miscellaneous items like sandpaper, interior cleaners, what else? Engine cleaner, degreasers, and stuff like that. Brought everything to, I'm pretty sure I'm below 4,400, but just a bit. So I'm just gonna call it $4,400. Remember, I told you on my first video, whenever you're gonna buy a car and if you think on selling it, just look at your local Craigslist just to make sure if you got enough room to make a profit after you make an estimate of how much you're gonna pay for the car plus parts and everything. So here's as you can see, this one is a 2015 Kia Optima, same color, salvage title also. It doesn't show me the miles, but I'm looking on Craigslist under only salvage titles. So this one they're asking $8,200 for that one. Now here's a 2014, also it's a salvage title, and this one's got, but this one they're asking $8,500. Now let's keep on. Here's another one. This one a Kia, this white one. This one's a 2011, so this one's, what is it, 4 years older than mine. It's got 77,000 miles, and they are asking $7,800. If I wanted to sell it really quick, you know, the cheapest one right here is 72. Yeah, this one, the 2013 72. So if I did $7,000 for mine, it's got half the miles, 2 years newer. And if I ask 7, I'm, what is it, 44, 54, 64. I'm 2,600 in profit. And that's, that's a lot of money. 2,600, that's a lot of money. So you got enough room. And I always said, if you're making $500 and over, I mean, $500 profit, that's a good profit. 82, let's say 8,000. At 8,000, you got, what is it, $3,600 in profit. That's really good. So yeah, guys, that's the breakdown on this car, the cost. So let me know what you guys think. And I'm still waiting on some parts for the Ford Edge. So I'll be uploading some videos pretty soon. See you guys in the next video.